After unpacking your DeLonghi portable air conditioner, it's crucial to let the unit stand upright for at least 24 hours if it was transported horizontally. This allows the refrigerant to settle properly. Place the unit on a flat, level surface with at least 20 inches or 50 centimeters of clearance from walls and obstructions. This ensures proper air circulation around the unit. Next, attach the exhaust hose to the air outlet port on the back of the unit. Twist the hose connection to secure it properly. This hose will carry hot air from inside the unit to the outside. Connect the other end of the exhaust hose to the window bracket adapter. Open your window and place the bracket in the opening, expanding it to fill the gap completely. Tighten the screw to secure the bracket firmly in place. This complete setup is crucial for proper operation. The exhaust hose vents hot air outside, preventing it from re-entering the room and ensuring your air conditioner works efficiently. Without proper venting, the unit cannot cool effectively. Your DeLonghi portable air conditioner offers multiple operating modes to meet different comfort needs. Understanding these modes helps you optimize both comfort and energy efficiency. Cooling mode provides active air conditioning, fan mode circulates air without cooling, dehumidify mode removes excess moisture, and auto mode automatically adjusts based on room conditions. Set your desired temperature using either the control panel on the unit or the included remote control. Most models allow temperature adjustment between 60 and 86 degrees Fahrenheit. The programmable timer feature allows you to schedule operation times, helping save energy by running the unit only when needed. You can set start and stop times up to 24 hours in advance. Regular maintenance ensures optimal performance and extends your unit's lifespan. The most important maintenance task is cleaning the air filter every 2 weeks. Periodically drain accumulated water from the unit using the drain plug located at the bottom. This prevents overflow and maintains efficient operation. For seasonal storage, run the unit in fan-only mode for several hours to dry internal components. Then drain all water, clean the filter, and store in a dry, dust-free location.